So I already have both of my tracks laid out with the videos I want to overlay. But as you can see, once it hits this video, it just pops up full screen, and that's not what we want. We want to have a picture-in-picture, so I need to resize this video. So I'm going to select on it and hit this button right here, click transform, and I'm going to hit shift and drag it so it doesn't change the shape of the video and look all weird and fucked up. And then I'm going to hit playback, and there it is. And then you can move it to wherever you want. You can resize it by these little buttons, and I'm just going to move it up to the left right there. And that's all you need to do. Now when you play it back, it's going to be a picture-in-picture.